everyone. We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I just got my light fixture in. It just came today. I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like, make sure everything's okay with it. Let's open it up together. So this is what I got. Pretty heavy. Came like this. I got the Aquatic Life 36-inch T5HO Hybrid 4-lamp fixture. So this is what I got. Let's open it up, see what they give us in here, and get an idea of what to expect. So it comes with brackets. These are the brackets that it comes with. I'm not sure what light fixture this comes to. It's obviously one of the round Kessels or something like that. So it's for one of the Kessel lights. There's two in here. They give you two that are sealed up. And these look like brackets. Oh, this is for to put the LED light on. This must be for the LED lights. So you get two of those. You get four of those actually. These look like the end brackets. These are the end brackets that you're going to get, I guess, to put the light fixture together. Here's an instruction manual. More stuff to read. Here's the mounting kit. This is what the mounting kit looks like. Hopefully this works out for us. Looks like the mounting kit and some other maybe screws and stuff we're going to need. And this is one of the fixtures right here. Oh, so it's two separate fixtures. So this is what the fixture looks like. Alright, so that's kind of what it looks like. To give you an idea, let's go up close. Those are the reflectors in there. This is the silicone what's it called? Sockets that they were talking about that helps it stay waterproof and cool. Oh, this peels off. So this peels off. And the bulbs go right in there. Looks pretty nice. I get why this is more an efficient kind of setup. You know what I mean? It's not luxury, it's more efficient. I see that just because I have to put it together. It comes in this piece kind of that I have to put the brackets together. It doesn't come with options with the brackets. I wish in the beginning they would have said 16 or 18 inches apart. I would have said 16 for my tank because I have an 18-inch tank, but they don't let you choose that option, which would have been cool. Hopefully they let you choose that option later on down the road. That's what I'm hoping. Other than that, I get, like I said, the efficiency of it. They pack it all up. You have to put it together yourself. That's the reason why this thing is half the price of all the other ones, but it's still really good. It's still you know, got good reviews, but the only thing is that it's you know, you got to put it together yourself. Has two separate plugs, which don't kind of work out. It would be cooler if you know what I'm saying, the electrical setup was a little bit different. So what are you going to do? You're going to have to figure that out. What are you going to do? So that's it. That's what you get in the box. Those are the brackets that you get, I think, for the Kessels, the round ones, the 360s. And there's two brackets right there for the other AI, I think, primes or something like that. Right there. Those are the other two brackets for the prime. And these are the big brackets to put this thing together. So we're going to have to put this thing together, and let's figure that out in a second. And I just want to show you a review of opening it up and see what you're going to get. Alright? Thank you. So I already installed one side of the light fixture, as you can see. I'm going to install the other side real quick so you guys can see how long it takes, or you know, see how it works out or whatever. So it's pretty simple. You just use a couple of screws, stick them in, screw them in. It's only 2 screws per each side. I would think it would be more. I thought they would have probably did 4 screws on each head, but they only do 2. Um, like I said, this was an efficient buy. It wasn't, you know, the best one they had or anything. This was efficiently, you know, thought out to buy. What you get for the price, for the money, and all this other stuff. That's the reason why I bought it. So if you're on a budget, you're gonna understand what I bought and why I bought it. Other than that, then, you know, obviously you won't understand, but you will if you get what I'm talking about, that this was the best budget-friendly one that you can get. I didn't want to spend, you know, double, triple, quadruple the price on other stuff, and that's why I went with this in the beginning, because I can always upgrade this later on. So, alright, so that's kind of what's up. Let me I'm going to show you how to put on this panel. I put on this panel on the other side real quick, and let's put on this panel on this side real quick. Make sure the big side matches the side of the wire. That's pretty much it for it. That's pretty much it for that. I mean, it just goes in, screws in really quick. You do each side like that. It's pretty simple. So I just wanted to show you a little review on that, of me putting it together, how simple it is. So I wouldn't pass up on this, like I said. I mean, I don't know about coral growth. I don't know about anything like that. You know, I'm new to the hobby, but for right now, building this, everything was great. And it was very simple and easy for me to do, so I can't complain. All right? So I just wanted to show you that too.